Hello friends, how you doing? Day 11:53. I am here at Central Park connecting with Mother Nature. I thought so today doing a little connecting, not just with Mother Nature, but with Diane. Diane, what's up?
Good.
You enjoying the greenery? Yeah?
I knew you were gonna do this.
She knows me so well.
I was walking you.
She likes mocking me. So today actually turned out to be a little warmer than I thought it would be, which is quite nice and beautiful. It's a little foggy on the pond there. Look at those beautiful ducks. Go this way. And yeah, so one of the things I am grateful for where I live is that we are close to a massive public park. So this is Central Park in Burnaby. By Willingdon and between, so it's by Boundary and Kingsway. It's a massive park. Lots of people walk through this park to connect with nature.
Tell them it's my idea.
Yes. So Dan, whose idea was it to go for a walk today?
Mine.
Yes, and when she told me, I was like, you know what? This is a great idea. She's like, it is a good idea.
I do have a lot of great ideas.
Yeah. She's like, it is a good idea. I'm like, no. It's a great idea. Yes, I agree. Very smart. Thank you for the suggestion, Diane. Very intelligent woman.
Very.
Yes, and very humble too.
The humblest man in the whole world. The woman, I mean.
Yes, look at that. I love the sound of running water. Look at that. Morning. Love saying hi to people. Oh, somebody was recording. I caught you, but just not on camera. I caught it too late. But if you've never gone to Central Park, feel free to have a little walk with us.
There's a lot of squirrels here. There was an old man giving out peanuts to us.
Yes, there's actually a lot of squirrels, a lot of ducks in this park. We're not supposed to feed them. Unfortunately, many people do. Perhaps not realizing what they're doing, enabling them. But there are signs up there that say do not feed. But people do. Look at that. You ever look at a squirrel and just think, you know what? It's so cute. But then when you look at it, you know what? It's just a rat with a bushy tail.
It makes me feel like it's gonna jump on me though.
Yeah, it could. Definitely could. So don't want to get too friendly, just in case.
Just put it up. Yeah, there you go.
Look at all this greenery. Oh, right behind this over here is a pitch and putt for all you golfers. It's by some closer to 49th Avenue, Imperial, and between Boundary and Patterson. So Diane, what type of life-altering questions are we talking about today? Look at that. Pretty smile. She's a little shy sometimes.
Sometimes, all the time. Oh, look at that.
Oh, she got excited about something. What is that? Oh, as you can see, you can cycle through the park. You can run through the park. There are some, what do they call it? Apparatuses. An apparatus to do some exercises. What does the thing say?
Warning. Be aware.
Oh. You know what? I had no idea. Maybe this is for balance? You know, one of those machines where you just stand there and then the machine moves your belly and you're supposed to lose fat?
Oh, I think I
But maybe you're supposed to actually move it yourself. You need to move it, move it. You need to move it, move it. You need to move it. Come on.
Guys taking a video of me being stupid. Not you. Another guy.
Oh, I didn't see him. Look at this. So the trees are actually quite tall. It's a very old park. I think it's over 100 years old. But it is massive. It is the largest in the city outside of Stanley Park. Sometimes I go with friends who knows what all these greenery is, ferns, then they start educating me on the names, which I appreciate, because I don't know anything. If you look at some of these trunks, some are very old, rotted parts. Others grow stronger. This is a spot you can go camping, but you're not allowed to.
I've never been to this park.
Oh, really?
I've
Oh.
only been here twice.
Oh.
Well, this is the third time.
Well, there's a first for everything. Welcome to this side of the park. So we are by Patterson, very close to the SkyTrain. Over here, washrooms. Behind the fence there are tennis courts. So if everyone play tennis courts, play tennis, there are courts here. As there are people playing right now. Which reminds me, this would be nice to play some tennis soon. Okay, so here is one of the exercise machines that Central Park has all around the park. This one it tells you what you can do or how you're supposed to do it. There's a resistance style. Oh, proper use videos. There you go. That tells you how to use it.
So strong.
Here's a resistance style. All right, Diane. Hey, I'm not trying to make fun of you. I'm just saying. So there you go. It starts there. Okay, go. Okay. Okay, now. Okay, turn the resistance up a little bit. Yeah, you put it at the high setting. Yeah, okay, yeah. You're supposed to start low and then push up. Any resistance?
Too short for me.
Okay, okay, lift it up a little bit. There you go. Okay. Okay, you do it? There you go. Okay, now go down a little.
Okay,
Okay, all right.
it's really heavy.
Good job, good job. At least you got one done. Anyways, oh, if you look here, we actually walked past. Never mind. There's a concession? Where's the concession?
The washroom we went to earlier.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Yeah, sometimes I don't notice details. Anyways, we're going to finish up our walk, but yeah, they're filming a film. I forget what it's called.
I can drink alcohol.
Can you?
Yeah.
Okay, just because you can doesn't mean you should. Right, Dan?
I don't hear you, sorry.
But anyways, they're actually filming something here on the 30th and 31st, so that's Tuesday and Wednesday. And they said it may be busier than usual, so if you want to go try and get discovered, go check it out. Okay? Anyways, that's all we got for today. But thanks for joining us on our walk, and this is your reminder to get out there and move your body, okay? And connect with Mother Nature. All right, bye-bye.